In October 2024, the world got its first real look at Russia's most secretive weapon, but not in the way Moscow intended. A runaway S-70 Okhotnik stealth drone was shot down over Ukraine by its own Wingman, a Russian Su-57, to prevent it from falling into enemy hands intact. Western analysts laughed. They called it a failure. But fast forward to 2026 and the narrative has shifted. The wreckage recovered that day revealed something terrifying. This wasn't just a remote-controlled plane. It was a fully autonomous, loyal Wingman built with stealth polymers and AI architecture that rivals US tech. First, let's look at the hardware. The S-70 Okhotnik, or Hunter, is not a small drone. It is a massive 25-ton flying wing. To put that in perspective, it weighs as much as a fully loaded F-16 fighter jet. It has a wingspan of 65 feet, 19 meters, and is powered by a derivative of the AL-41F1 engine, the same powerhouse used in the Su-35. But the biggest upgrade seen in late 2025 is the nozzle. Early prototypes had a round, exposed engine exhaust, a huge beacon for radar and heat-seeking missiles. The new production models feature a flat, shrouded exhaust. This critically reduces its infrared signature and radar cross-section, RCS, from the rear, making it a true all-aspect stealth aircraft designed to penetrate deep behind NATO lines. But the S-70 isn't designed to fight alone. Its primary role is manned-unmanned teaming with the Su-57 Felon. Think of it as the Su-57's attack dog. In a combat scenario, the manned Su-57 stays safely back, acting as a quarterback. It uses its radar to paint targets, and then sends the silent S-70 forward to take the shot. The drone carries 4,400 lbs, 2 tons of internal weaponry. We now know it is certified to carry the UMPB D-30SN, a precision-guided glide bomb, and the KH-69 stealth cruise missile. This effectively extends the Su-57's radar reach and magazine depth without risking a human pilot. So what happened in that 2024 crash? Intelligence suggests the drone was testing its autonomous AI mode in a live combat zone when the data link was jammed by Ukrainian electronic warfare. Instead of returning to base, the AI went rogue, forcing the shootdown. While embarrassing, it proved one critical fact. Russia is actively trusting AI to fly 20-ton combat aircraft in war zones. Since then, Sukhoi has reportedly hardened the data links and improved the return-to-home logic. They aren't stopping. They are iterating. The S-70 Okhotnik proves that the monopoly on stealth combat drones is over. It is big, it is heavy, and it is armed. While it may not yet match the sensor fusion of the American B-21 or the NGAD program, it is a serious platform that turns the Su-57 from a stealth fighter into a stealth network. What do you think?